color collage. Materials: rainbow of construction paper, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Scissors to use with a grown-up's help, glue stick, pencil, stapler, ruler, magazines. Optional materials: different colors of construction paper, glue, junk mail, calendars. To make a color collage, start with 6 pieces of construction paper: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. With a ruler and pencil, measure 5 inches from the edge of the red construction paper and mark it with a vertical line. Repeat the process on the following construction papers: 4 inches off the orange paper, 3 inches off the yellow paper, 2 inches off the green paper, and 1 inch off the blue paper. Cut along the marked lines on the red, orange, yellow, green, and blue papers. Layer the papers on top of each other in rainbow order, with red on the top and purple on the bottom. Staple the edges of the papers together. If desired, fold the cut-off piece of the yellow paper in half and glue it over the edge of the stapled papers to hide the staples. Go through magazines, junk mail, and old calendars and cut out different images to represent the colors of the rainbow. Once you have cut the images out and trimmed them, organize them in piles of each color. Glue the different images for each color on their corresponding papers. You can also cut out images of words for each color. Another option is to add brown, black, and white papers behind the purple paper and add images for those colors. Continue adding images for each color until you feel the color collage is complete. Now you have a color collage. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media, #AppletonMuseum@home.